to welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Katra and Class. And I'm a beautiful, great fun host Nkupi the entertainer. Today, we don't know what we're gonna do. Just gonna chill. Whatever happens, happens. Let's go and have some fun. Let's do this. Guys, it's been a while and you have been asking, hey, where's what? Where's what? Let me show you. Let's go and see BYK's build. I'm here at BYK. Bike. I know you don't like it when I chew, but I need a choice. Alina choice, not Anina, because Zulu are bad. Alina. Let's go. And then you find some followers just love quantums. No quantum lovers. They just want to see quantums. I don't know what is it that I'm going to show them here. What am I showing you? What am I showing you guys? GL. It's hot around the I just took a walk closer to this price stand and it's warm. We are late. We almost ate. Timing is everything. We almost ate now. Look. Hot as hell. Because even this, look, you can see what meat was on top of this. Meat was here. And let's go. Those who love quantums. Which special edition is this one? And what do we call the edition? Nagasi. I don't want a quantum. You're whole. Let's put. I don't want a quantum in your nails. It's cool. Now here are others. Here are the others. But I'm not interested in quantums. You know my loves. Killer combo. Polo Bila, dancing, Moya Majide. So he has every car for every occasion. What is bothering me with this guy is that you will never see him competing, and he has every right and every will to compete. When I say he has every right and every will to compete, I'm talking about these things. So when I say every will, I'm saying it's possible. He should be the king of and call outs. He should be calling each and everybody out. He should be saying everybody's young. He should be saying, you know what? You guys, come here. I want to show you who I am. I want to show you what I'm capable of. I want to show you. Hey, lots of buy. But doesn't do it. I don't know why. There's a level of influence bag we need to give him. Something needs to bite him. Let's start here. Stance shows. He should be taking this car. This car should be competing. Best air, those sound competition. This car should be in those competitions. It should be participating. But, well, newsflash, it's not. He just builds it and keeps it here. If I was in a better position to tell you why he does that, I was going to tell you. But unfortunately, I'm not, and I don't know why. I have no idea why. You know how many boys would do anything to only have this Polo? I know a lot of guys who would do anything for this Polo. The Polo is on air. Let's check it out. Nice Polo on air. Rocking BBS Lenso Eagle. No, not guys. Is this rim BBS Eagle or Eagle Lenso? Or maybe it's all of them. BBS Eagle Lenso, because right now it's written Eagle Lenso, and I thought Eagle is under BBS. Lenso and BBS, are they the same thing? Guys, I don't know. Actually, people in the comment section, please highlight me here. Help me. Enlighten me. I don't know before you guys come for me, because you like coming for me. This car, guys, is so nice. I don't even want to begin with the level of sound in this car. It's gonna need a day where he's ready to let you feel the wrath of his sound system. But for now, he's not ready. He's not even caring about it. Just builds a beautiful Polo, parks it. That's it. That's the sad story of this car. It sits here. It has some big sound. You know why I'm busy emphasizing big sound? Because someone else might wanna argue with me and say, no, the car is not having big sound. Look, the level of BYK's sound experience is bigger than mine. It's bigger than a lot of people that I know who are going to comment in this video. So his level is about there. What's just an okay sound system for him might be everything for you. Actually, it is for me. So that's why I put him on a different pedestal when it's coming to sound. So another thing I can so le bafetile renchaning Polo A for a ride. Renchaning Polo for a ride. Ke no go bona e tswile. E tlhape. E boe. Okay, I'll inform you when the day comes. Anyway, now we're gonna go to the big things. R36. Vura 36. Vura 36. Okay, what exhaust is this? It should be for a BM. I can see, you see, straight 6. I could tell because I can see this main fault. It has 6 exhausts. Exits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what we tie on the cylinder head, the exhaust intake and exhaust. Go through the fumes in here. So guys, tell me, when the car is spitting fire through the exhaust, does the whole process happen here like boom, boom, and then it travels all the way here quickly? Boom, boom, boom. How quick is anyway, let's stop physics. They said speed of light. Let me teach you a little bit of physics. The speed of light travels at blah 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 meters per second. Light is faster than sound. So when we hear the poo, which means the color of the fire would have struck. Anyway, just like lighting, it's lightning. Sometimes you might see the, and then after a few seconds you hear the the theologies are understood. Anyway, here is the one we should be calling out a lot of VR6s. A lot of VR6s are young to this one. A lot of VR6s are babies to this VR6. But BYK chooses not to call them and tell them they're young. Rims, they look like they got refurbished today. They look like they got refurbished today. Look, if my rims could be in this position, I'd be so glad. This would make me very happy. Well, the condition of this car, I think you know it. The condition of this car, it's the same way we know it. Right? Sunroof. Vora. It's just a Vora. So I'm going to show you. The steering doesn't have any little bit of... Did you hear how that closed? So yeah, here's a beast. I just hope the bonnet is open. You're gonna hold my phone for me. Who? I don't know. Nobody's gonna hold my... Nobody's gonna hold my bonnet for me. Did you hear what happened when I opened here? There was like this is sound. This is aftermarket. You know, guys, Vura comes with... It doesn't hold itself in this position. So that's why I say a lot of VR6 can be... Look, the way this car is dusty in it, they don't touch it. They don't do anything to it. Nothing is done to it. It's just a garage king. It stays this way, sits this way. Nothing ever happens to it. No oats. Kill a guy. Kill a village really no chantry amata so. A would say, Yao Chell. Hiluring in cattle, a couple of 6 come home. Like yaso. Ape conversation is 60 gachaya galbagala. Motoroiti. Awa. Bo bonnet in Chavage. Yeah. Kibuchi are. Yes, guys. Conditionally rimiche wood. So guys, yeah, as we said, they said it might go, so I can't wait for it to go. I wish it comes on the 6th of June.
The king himself. How cool is this? How cool is this? How cool is this? Yo, how cool is this, guys? Hello.
Tando. T-H-A-N-D-O. Tando. My Tando.
Tando ma.
Tando lwethu kasibeko umntwana kamaphatha ingwana kwalimpopo ke hlabula ngwana komuleti guys akithi why
King Katra lewa. Hango. Lewa wiki. Lewa batli.
Umkhotsi
Guys, they're having their moment. They came and bought t-shirts and then they wanted Katra to sign them. Like, this is the type of love parents have for their kids.
Oh, this is so nice. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I didn't even
So yeah, as I was saying, it was a beautiful moment whereby they bought t-shirts for their kids, and then they took pictures, right? And then with the pictures, Katra signed the t-shirts. That's so cute. That's what we are all about. Guys, this garage setup should be calling out everything. Dancing, vuring, oh, kita tapa. Umoni agano tap.
kita Bastard.
But guys, this car has been alive. Ranjoli Sanchubanina le malwede. It's been just the way. Guys, remember this car? There was a point where it was in. Woman. Unobono rivi beta ukaba monati.
Yeah, you know so do mutho no gepa go di Twitter go di meet. It's gonna just be
Guys, that's it.